Here I'm going to hold the knife in a pinch grip fashion. What that allows me to do is have more accuracy and stability. With my left hand, I'm going to use it as more of a guide. It doesn't do much, but other than push the vegetable closer to the blade, okay? And keep from cutting your fingers off. So, run the tip through. I'm going to go ahead and remove the center, get rid of my seeds, super easy. Now we've got that beautiful core that we're looking for, right? Rock my way through it. And you'll notice here my guide hand, my left hand, is tucked away nice so as not to cut the tips of my fingers off. And my pinch gripped knife is rocking away nicely. See that? And that's all because of the pinch grip. If I were to hold it on the handle, you don't have that same feel. And it's incredibly inaccurate. So, pinch grip, rocking away, guide hand, pushing away.